Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So guess what we're making today? So today we're making fried Oreos, and the only thing that you're going to need is some pancake mix and fried Oreos, and of course water. So when you are mixing your batter, you want to ensure that you have a very thick consistency. And this looks a little bit runny, so I think I'm going to add a little bit more powder. Just gonna mix that very well. So this looks like the consistency that I want. It's pretty thick, so it should coat the our Oreos very nice. This is perfect like this. See, it's not too runny and it's not too thick. Next, we're just going to heat up some oil, and I'm just using some regular vegetable oil. And you're just going to wait till the oil is hot. To check this, what you can do is add a little bit of the batter and the oil to see if it's hot. Okay, so it's not hot yet. So now while we're waiting for that to get hot, what we're gonna do is just throw in some of our, just throw this in like that. So I'm going to do 4 at a time. We're just going to dip that in there and then just turn it. And we're just going to wait till they turn golden brown. So as you can see, it's nice and golden. So we're gonna take that out. At this point, we can take them out. look how beautiful that looks. That looks so yummy. Look at that. So guys, they are finally done and they look so yummy. Just look at that. Look at that. They look so good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If there's anything that you guys would like me to make, just let me know. Comment below. This is so good, you guys.